Oh, open the book. Where's the apple?
Apple.
Saan yung apple? Where's the apple? Apple. Flower. Saan yung flower?
Apple.
Flower. Saan yung flower? Flower. Galing. Nasaan yung ice cream? Ice cream. Ice cream. Alam niya pala ice cream. Asan to yung ice cream? Sabi ni Mami. Where's the ice cream? Tingnan mo. Oh, ice cream. Yay! Nasaan yung bird? Bird. Oh, alam niya bird eh. Oh, saan yung bird, baby?
Lituhin mo.
Oh, bird. Alam niya.
Lituhin mo nga.
Turtle. Saan yung turtle? Turtle. Oh, alam niya turtle. Oh, saan yung watch?